Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Millets are gluten-free grains having low glycemic index and high fiber content. They are great source of complex carbs. Millets are best choice than rice, particularly if you are on weight loss journey or weight management. Millets are slowly digestible and prevents sudden spikes in the blood sugar levels. So, today I want to share a healthy, high protein, gluten free breakfast recipe made with millets and quinoa. This combination gives you a best protein punch. You can have this for your post workout breakfast or early dinner. It keeps you full for a longer time. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a bowl, add 1 cup of foxtail millet. Foxtail millet is a good source of protein. It also contains iron, calcium and phosphorus which are very important for muscle and bone health. Now add half cup of quinoa. Quinoa is a seed grain and not a cereal grain which contains high quality protein and fiber because it has all 9 essential amino acids. Now add half cup of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of methi seeds and add some water and rinse it well 2 to 3 times and discard the water after each rinse. Rinsing helps to remove the dust particles from it. After rinsing, add some water again, stir it once, cover it with a lid and soak it for at least 6 hours. Soaking the millets for longer time helps to release a nutrient inhibitor called phytic acid which helps in better nutrient absorption. After 6 hours, open the lid, discard the water and transfer it into a mixer jar and then add 2 green chilies, 2 shallots, a small piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of pink salt and add some water. Cover it with a lid and grind it into a smooth batter. Cover this batter with a lid and ferment it for 8 to 10 hours. After 10 hours, see how lacy the texture is. This lacy texture indicates that the batter is perfectly fermented. Mix it lightly and if you want you can add extra salt at this time. Add some water, mix well and make it into a pouring consistency. Into a pan, add 1.5 tablespoon of wood-pressed sesame oil and heat it. Then add 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and fry the dal till they become light brown in color. Now add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and 3 slit green chilies and fry them for a minute. Now add 1 big onion slices and fry it till they become golden brown and translucent. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix it well and fry for a minute. Then add some grated carrot, grated beetroot, fry for 1 to 2 minutes until the raw smell goes out. Now add some water into it, mix it once, then add few chopped curry leaves, mix it again. Now add boiled and mashed potato into it. Press it well and cook for 6 to 7 minutes until the water is completely evaporated. Yes, you can see the water has dried up completely and the masala is almost done. Now I am preparing the dosas without adding any oil. Pour one big ladle full of batter at the center and immediately start spreading it in a circular motion into a thin dosa. And cook the dosa on medium-high flame until you start seeing brown spots on it. Now place the veg masala at the center like a line. Press it well and fold the dosa from the side and take out into a serving plate. Repeat the same process for the second dosa. Here I am adding some roasted and crushed peanuts to the masala for a special crunchiness. Fold it from one side and take out into a serving plate. Now I am showing another way of folding the dosa. Just keep the veg masala at the center and fold both the sides to the center and take out into a serving plate. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like it and share this to your friends, and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.